Let's connect Adultforce to wecantrack, so your conversions track automatically. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then Affiliate Networks. Search for Adultforce in the list. Open it, then click Create Account. Give your account a name you will recognize later. Adultforce connects with a Postback URL. A postback is a server-to-server message that tells wecantrack the moment a conversion happens. Click Create Postback URL and wecantrack generates your unique postback URL. Copy it, then in Adultforce, open the Tools menu, choose S2S Postback, click Add New Postback, and paste it into the URL field. Back in wecantrack, your Adultforce account is now connected and ready to track conversions. That's it, no developer needed. Check our other integration guides.